Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to add stickers to photos. Now you can easily add stickers to your photos by using the photo app, or you may also use the third-party apps like Instagram, WhatsApp and all. Now if you want to add the stickers on your photos on your iPhone but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. Simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to add the stickers on your photos, you need to simply open the Photos app on your device. Open the Photos app and here you'll see the number of list of the photos. Now you need to select the photo which you want to edit. So let's say if I want to edit this photo, I'll simply open it and you'll see the options of share, favorite and all of it. So you need to click on the option of edit, or you may click on the option of three dots at the very top right, and you'll see the number of option right here. To edit, you'll see the option of three straight lines at the very bottom, so click on it and here you'll see the option of adjust filters or crop. So you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the upper taskbar. So you need to tap on the markup icon, which also looks like the pen icon. So you'll see at the very top, so click on the markup and here you'll see various options like the pen, marker and all of it. So you need to simply click on the option of plus icon, which is at the very bottom of the screen. So after selecting plus, you'll see the option of image description, add sticker, add text, add signature or add save. So you need to click on the option of add stickers, and a various number of stickers will arrive on your screen. So you may also select the stickers by clicking on the option of upper taskbar, and you may simply choose the stickers which are available on your iPhone. So I'll simply add this sticker by selecting this. So let's say if I want to add this, I'll simply add here, and you may also add just this sticker. You may simply increase the size or decrease the size of this sticker, and you may also write various things inside of it if you want. So by doing all of it, you may click on the option of done at the very top right, and you may also click on the option of done, and as you can see the sticker has been added to my photo. So that's it. That's how you can add the stickers using the Photos app on your iPhone. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.